Hey folks, just got my lithium ion battery from Harley Davidson. Just came in today. I can unbox it and see what's in here. It's definitely a lot lighter than the stock battery. I'll put it on a scale and we can check it out to see exactly what the weight is. There it is. That's the battery. And this is what it looks like. That's how it comes. The battery is actually this small. So they put it into a holder because I guess this is going to stick this on. It actually has a test button. You can see there. You see it's fully charged when I push it. Check the status of the battery. This is very light. I mean, it's really light. It comes with some instructions. And some set of screws. The seat. First thing we're going to have to do is remove the seat. Next is to remove the upper tray. Okay, the battery is located under this upper tray that has the ECU, the emission device, and a bunch of other plugs. Comes off this way. Put that to the side. The tray screws is held by these two screws. These are 1/2 inch hex. Okay, to the side, you can see that this tray, upper tray, kind of comes off. You got to push forward on the tray for it to come out, and then pull up. Yeah, push forward and pulled up. It's a latch right here. The latch down here. Separate it and it comes apart. The ECU, there's two levers here that you pull apart and they pop off. See that? Some of the areas, so I don't scratch my stuff here. Strap that's used to pull the battery up. Okay, the screws that's on top of the stock battery is actually metric. It's 10 millimeters. So it's 10 millimeter socket. Remove the negative side first. Negative off. Move the cable out of the way so it doesn't come back and touch the battery. Now the vehicle is completely off. And remove the positive side. Again, push the cable out of the way so it does not make contact with the. It's very, very heavy. Right? I need 2 hands to pull this up. Okay, yeah, this is pretty heavy. So that's about 21 pounds. Okay, this battery's so light it won't even register on my bathroom scale, so I'm going to have to use this postal scale. So it's saying it's about 3 pounds and 14 ounces. That's how light this battery is. With the outside casing. Okay, we're going to install the battery now with the outer shell, or this casing that's on there. The side, we're going to keep the strap there. And put this right down in. So much easier. You can handle it with just one hand. Stuck to the cable. Okay. Drop it right in. These are the new screws that came with the battery. Okay, we're going to torque these in. I only have the positive side terminal connected so far. So these are supposed to be 50 to 60 inch-pounds. I have it set for 55. Now we'll connect the negative, we'll torque it in. Okay. Okay, remember that foam spacer? Yeah, it's got a sticky side. We're going to place that in the middle. It says right in the middle, center. So that's what we'll do. I guess that's going to hold the battery from going up, slamming up and down. Put our we can put our battery tray or upper tray back in. So first we'll connect our California emission device here. This gas evaporator. Okay. And then we'll put this latches back in, top tray there. Make sure you're not pinching any wires here. When you press this down, it's actually pushing onto that sponge that's provided. That's to keep the battery from flying, sloshing around up and down. Put this on. It snaps right back in. This will snap back in this way. Okay, now that we have the battery tray back in place, the bolts are all tightened in. Put this thing back on. For the caddy screws, that's these two, here and here, that gets torqued to 7 to 12 foot-pounds. I have it about 10. Okay, and the two screws on top that's under the seat, I've already put it in. Those are also 7 to 12 foot-pounds. That holds the battery tray down. The bike lasts with this lithium battery, so we're going to start it up and see how quickly it turns this engine. This is the stock battery that's on here right now. We're going to start the engine up, the bike on. Alright, let's see how fast it cranks.